Two top CRM platforms. One Showdown, which one really helped your business grow. On the left, Pipedrive, famous for its sales-focused simplicity. And on the right, Bitrix24, packed with features and collaboration tools. We'll dive into performance, customization, usability, automation, pricing, and what really sets each one apart. Let's skip the marketing jargon and get straight to the comparisons that matter to you. Each round, both platforms earn points, and by the end, you'll know exactly where they stand. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, before we dive in, here's our game plan. We're going to look at price, sales, and CRM features, team collaboration, customization and integrations, mobile and usability, and finally, that whole ecosystem and bonus stuff. Kinda a wide range, right? Alright, let's jump into the details. Alright, first up, price. So, Pipedrive is honestly super straightforward. No weird per-user minimums, none of that sneaky stuff, and the entry-level plan? Yeah, lowest in its class. But you want fancy add-ons? That's gonna cost you extra. Bitrix24 though, they've got a free plan that is, well, kinda absurd for what you get. And this is where it gets messy. Their pricing ladder is like a game of Tetris, and those paid plans, they can add up fast. Simple wins out here. Pipedrive's got it. On to sales and CRM features. This is honestly where Pipedrive really shines. I mean, the pipeline view is just chef's kiss. If you want to see exactly what deals are where and automate the sales process with almost no hassle, you'll love it. It is focused, I'll give them that. On the flip side, Bitrix24, it'll cover your CRM basics and you get some automation too, but the interface can get a bit much. It's just not quite as visual or friendly for pure sales teams. So yeah, this one definitely goes to Pipedrive. Now, team collaboration. And this is where, honestly, Bitrix24 goes all out. Like, you want chat, video calls, sharing files on the fly, they've got you covered. You can even run tasks and meetings all inside the same tool. Meanwhile, Pipedrive kind of just lets you share deals and contacts, no built-in chat, nothing fancy. If you're all about working together on more than just sales, Bitrix24 is your best bet. So this round, easy win for Bitrix24. Oh, and here's something cool you might not have known. Bitrix24 actually started as a corporate social network way back in 2012. Now, they've got over 10 million users worldwide. Kinda wild how much it's grown. Let's talk customization and integrations. Honestly, it's a tie here. Both are seriously open. Pipedrive's got hundreds of plugins and a super simple API, hooks into Slack, Google, you name it. Bitrix24, you can customize almost every corner, and it's got built-in apps for HR, projects, even help desk stuff. But warning, it can get complicated. If you just want to connect a few things and go, Pipedrive's easier, want to deep dive and control everything? Bitrix24 is more flexible. Alright, mobile and usability. And, okay, this is exciting. Pipedrive's app is just plain good. Like, even if you're brand new, it's super easy to pick up. Smooth on your phone, fast, nothing gets in the way. Well, except it all revolves around sales. Bitrix24 can honestly do more from your phone, so much capability, but it can feel a bit cluttered, especially on a small screen. At the end of the day, for fast, mobile-friendly use, Pipedrive sneaks ahead. Last category, ecosystem and extras. Here's where Bitrix24 is like, yeah, we do it all. Project management, HR tools, call center, even a website builder. It's almost wild how much is packed in here. Great if your team dabbles in everything. Pipedrive, on the other hand, sticks to what it knows. It has a nice marketplace for sales add-ons, but not much else. If you want a whole business hub, Bitrix24 is the obvious winner. So if we size up the scores across everything, you can see each platform really plays to its strengths. In areas like pure sales and simplicity, Pipedrive's on top. But start adding features outside sales? Bitrix24 comes out swinging. For my 2 cents, if you just care about sales and want the simplest possible workflow, Pipedrive is the obvious choice. It's fast, it's focused, it just works. But if your business lives for all-in-one tools, or you want to manage projects, run HR, and hand out deals all from the same dashboard, Bitrix24 can replace like 5 other apps. So it really depends where you want to put your team's energy. If you found this CRM comparison useful, stick around. I'm always breaking down these complicated tools and making them easy. Follow for more.